Choosing the right window installation service is a crucial decision for any homeowner in Birmingham. High-quality windows and proper installation can make a significant difference in your home's energy efficiency, security, aesthetics, and overall value. With so many options available, it's important to know what to look for in a professional installer to ensure you get the best possible results. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make an informed choice. Look for experience and expertise when searching for a window installation service in Birmingham. Prioritize companies with extensive experience and proven expertise. Experienced professionals are more likely to understand the specific needs of homes in the area, including weather considerations, energy efficiency requirements, and local building codes. Ask about their years of experience, any specialized training they have received, and examples of past projects in Birmingham. Check licensing and insurance to protect yourself and your property. Ensure that the window installation service you choose is properly licensed and insured. Licensing confirms that they meet state and local requirements for providing window installation services, while insurance protects you in case of accidents or damage during the installation process. A reputable company will be transparent about their credentials and happy to provide proof upon request. Read reviews and ask for references. A great way to assess a window installation company's quality is to read customer reviews and request references. Online platforms such as Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau can provide insights into other customers' experiences. Look for patterns in reviews, such as consistent praise for professionalism, punctuality, and quality workmanship, or recurring complaints. If possible, ask the company for a list of references you can contact directly to hear firsthand about their experience. Evaluate product quality and selection. The quality of the windows being installed is just as important as the installation itself. Ask the installation company about the brands and types of windows they offer. High-quality windows can boost energy efficiency, improve security, and enhance the overall look of your home. Look for companies that offer energy-efficient options, such as double or triple pane windows, low-E glass coatings, and insulated frames. A wide selection allows you to choose the perfect windows to suit your home's style and functional needs. Get multiple quotes. Obtaining quotes from multiple window installation companies in Birmingham will give you a better understanding of market pricing and help you avoid overpaying. Be wary of estimates that are significantly lower than the average, as this could indicate low-quality materials or poor workmanship. A trustworthy service provider will provide a detailed estimate, including labor costs, materials, and any additional fees, so you can make an informed comparison. Inquire about warranties. A solid warranty on both products and labor is a sign of a reputable window installation service. Ask about the warranty coverage on the windows themselves and the labor warranty on the installation work. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions, as a good warranty can provide peace of mind and protect your investment for years to come. Consider customer service and communication. Effective communication and excellent customer service are key components of a positive installation experience. From the initial consultation to the final installation, pay attention to how the company treats you. Are they responsive to your questions? Do they provide clear, transparent information? Are they respectful of your time? A company that values customer satisfaction will ensure you're kept informed at every step of the process and handle any issues quickly and professionally. Ask about installation process and timelines. Understanding the installation process can help set expectations and avoid surprises. Ask the company to walk you through their installation process, including how long it typically takes and what you need to prepare for ahead of time. Professional installers will follow a systematic approach, ensuring a smooth and efficient installation that minimizes disruptions to your daily life. Local knowledge matters. Birmingham's climate, building regulations, and style preferences can affect the type of windows best suited for your home. Hiring a local company familiar with Birmingham's unique needs ensures they will recommend and install the best windows for this region. Local experts are also more likely to be aware of incentives, such as energy efficiency rebates and programs that could help reduce your costs. Conclusion: choosing the best window installation service in Birmingham is a decision that impacts your home's comfort, appearance, and energy efficiency for years to come. By focusing on experience, credentials, product quality, warranties, and customer service, you can find a trusted professional to handle your window installation with care and precision. Take the time to research and compare your options, and you'll be rewarded with beautiful, durable windows that enhance your home and provide lasting value.